Of the many things that make the world go round, education is paramount. Exploring what is known to uncover the unknown is the way societies progress. But how can we move forward if the very thing that drives our critical thinking abilities is regressing or even stagnating? In countries around the globe, governments have tried spending more to drive progress forward. However, studies show that nations spending the most on education don't produce the highest performing students. Beyond a certain level of expenditure per student, improving outcomes requires more than money. Indeed, the teaching methodologies of the past are not fit for our modern-day world. But Virtuoso is. Virtuoso is a school management and enterprise learning platform developed to help ease the burden placed on school leaders and teachers striving to enact change in current education practices. It's changing the way students learn, not by requiring more funds, but by leveraging existing data to make informed decisions that will power a customized learning strategy for each student. In a typical classroom, no two students learn alike. Where some excel, others struggle. Why? In the current system, yearly assessments are the only insight into student performance. But by then, it's too little too late. With Virtuoso, you can easily and instantly collect insightful bits of data, even video, on each student every day. This data collection starts the moment a student enters the school system. How well does she do on assignments? What are her interests? What does he want to be when he grows up? How does he perform in peer groups? This data then follows the student through each grade progression so that teachers and school leaders have access to the student's history. That collected history reveals patterns that are the key to unlocking his or her potential through customized learning strategies. This chronological data collection creates a single view of the student, providing clear and organized insight for informed decision-making. Of course, this requires collaboration with all participants, guardians, students, teachers, and school leaders. Which is why Virtuoso provides unparalleled interconnectedness, where all parties work together to improve educational outcomes in a dynamic information feedback loop. Learning activities are performed and feedback is provided on each student's performance. By doing so, Virtuoso is encouraging a blended mode of learning, where teachers and students work together using both face-to-face and online learning experiences to develop a self-paced curriculum rather than the traditional one-size-fits-all approach. Peer-to-peer collaboration helps to further the learning process as students share what is working for them in order to uncover best practices and implement them without delay. Teachers can also adapt and provide feedback on instructional activities created by other Virtuoso users or share their own with the wider Virtuoso community. If this sounds like a massive amount of data, that's because it is. But you don't have to interpret that data. Virtuoso does it for you. With its sophisticated data analysis tools, Virtuoso helps you make sense of the volumes of student information it acquires. By clearly knowing what works and what doesn't, you can better allocate financial and physical resources, optimizing what you do have rather than investing time and money based on a best guess. Most importantly, when we understand student skill sets, we can encourage those skills at every grade level, creating lifelong learners who find purpose and fulfillment. The world is changing. Now your student outcomes can too. Explore the virtues of Virtuoso by visiting virtuoso.singleview.com.